I just got this dancing cactus toy and it won't stop copying what I'm saying. This dancing cactus is super cool. This toy cactus can mimic you. It glows bright colors, dances, sings, records, wiggles, and talks. It has 3 buttons, a volume button, a record button, and a music button. It's even good for birthdays. It has so many different music choices I can't even keep track. Check this out. The point is, there's a lot of songs. This is the most unique toy I've seen in a long time. If you want a dancing cactus for yourself, your kids, or your pets, go and pick up one in the link down below.